NFTs have been taking over the art world, and at the center of the NFT craze is a company called Opensea.
Look at Opensea, that's the biggest NFT trading platform. They saw sales top $1 billion in August. That was a record, and 3 times the July sales.
Opensea remains one of the largest NFT platforms today with over 1.5 million active users. January 2022 was Opensea's biggest month yet. It recorded a monthly trading volume of $5 billion, surpassing its previous high in August 2021.
Opensea does dominate, and last year they were averaging about 90-95% of the market.
But with its explosive growth, the platform has also received backlash for outages, plagiarism, and even insider trading scandals.
One of the top officials at the biggest NFT marketplace is being accused of insider trading on the platform.
In 2021, crypto scammers took nearly $14 billion worth of cryptocurrency. Crypto-related crime also increased nearly 79% from a year earlier.
Last year, 2021, was the biggest year on record for criminal activity, period, the end. You're always going to have quite a bit of scamming activity.
Now the digital art market appears to be cooling off, and regulators are paying more and more attention to the crypto industry. So what's next for the world's largest NFT marketplace? Opensea is an online marketplace where users can create, buy, and sell NFTs. Founded in 2017 by 2 former software engineers, Opensea was one of the first NFT marketplaces to tap into the crypto craze. It's funded by the likes of Andreessen Horowitz, Coinbase Ventures, and Blockchain Capital.
Beginning of summer of last year, their volumes were not particularly large. So in 2020, the overall NFT volumes were about $90 million. And for the full year of 2021, it shot up to $25 billion in total.
What started off as a small team soon grew to a team of 450 employees as user growth skyrocketed. The company had its biggest month ever in January 2022. The same month, venture capitalists poured $300 million into the company. That caused the valuation of Opensea to skyrocket. Those who were able to get in early were able to make a lot of money by selling their NFTs on Opensea. 12-year-old Benjamin Ahmed launched his own NFT collection called Weird Whales on Opensea in June 2021. His collection earned him more than $400,000 after selling for about 2 months.
When I originally got into the NFT space, I was never intending to sell anything. I just wanted to learn about smart contracts, to learn about NFTs, to learn about this new space. And once I started seeing that people were buying my collection, I was really happy that people were willing to connect with my story.
24-year-old digital artist Lana Danina also used Opensea to list her first NFT artwork. It was sold for 4 ETH, which at the time was valued at $13,700.
At the time, I didn't know anything about crypto or blockchains or Web3, so I had to make a lot of research to understand everything about Web3 and then be able to understand NFTs. It's really amazing to be able to sell a digital file online and to be able to gain money from it directly.
Opensea is one of the most popular NFT platforms today, among others such as LooksRare, Foundation, SuperRare, and Nifty Gateway.
I think with Opensea, the comparison to eBay is justified. They kind of have everything on there. It attracted the content creators, attracted the best collections, and I think the formula for their success is just the user experience is good by comparison.
Opensea makes it easy for creators to collect royalties when they list NFTs on its website. Creators can charge up to 10% for their listings and gives them an option to list their NFTs at a fixed price or through a timed auction. Still, there are competitors who are trying to take away Opensea's market share in the NFT space.
And we can already see in the numbers after LooksRare launched their campaign at the beginning of the year that the market share for Opensea has fallen.
Other competitors include Coinbase NFT, which already has a waitlist that exceeds 3 million users signed up. And Rarible, another NFT marketplace that was putting up monthly trading volumes that were higher than its counterpart. But competition isn't the only hurdle Opensea has to get through. In January 2022, Opensea suffered a database outage. That meant new NFT owners were temporarily unable to see their NFT artworks in their crypto wallets. There have also been instances where an NFT artwork was minted without the permission of the original owner. Opensea also admitted that at least 80% of NFTs created using its minting tool were fraudulent.
Security and safety for the individual user is definitely on their list of priorities, so I would expect them to make more announcements on that side of things. We don't want hacks and we don't want security breaches. It's not good for business, it's not good for the consumer.
Opensea told CNBC that it prioritizes the trust and safety of all people on Opensea and are working hard to make sure that creators, buyers, and sellers alike feel supported by our policies, tools, and services. The overall NFT market has also seen an increase of scams in the past year.
We've been looking at market manipulation, wash trading, and plagiarism, and then your run-of-the-mill phishing scam, which is also something that has been coming into the NFT space as well. Some ways that you can protect yourself are doing your due diligence, looking for the source of the NFT, what collection is actually verifying the contracts. Industry solutions that are specific to tech are able to actually really help protect people from being scammed.
Investment bank Jefferies estimates the NFT market could reach more than $80 billion by 2025. The NFT market, however, went through a volatile patch in recent weeks. The average selling price of an NFT dropped below $2,000 in March. The daily total sales average fell to its lowest levels of $18.8 million on March 6, but shot back up to $65.4 million on April 1st.
Still, when you zoom out and you compare it to 2020, it's still tremendous growth, and it can't be all, one way forever, right?
As for Opensea, the company is rapidly hiring more experts in the product development space to strengthen its platform against the bad actors. So what's next for NFTs?
I'm optimistic that NFTs are going to weed out some of these issues related to plagiarism and fraud, and I think it's probably here to stay.
I 100% am bullish on NFTs, and I definitely think they'll grow as 95% of NFT use cases are waiting to be discovered.
But I think also Opensea and other platforms will be looking into how they fit into the new virtual worlds that are being created that companies are investing in. It's part of an evolution of kind of having more of a presence in virtual worlds, and that means a virtual economy, and NFTs will fit right in, and then I think people will want to express their identity in the virtual world just like they do in the physical world, whether that's through fashion, luxury items, or sports goods, or gaming, or beauty products. There's so many ways it could go.